Before use, turn the switch to the on position. Check whether the built-in valve is reset. At this time, the built-in valve is not reset. We shake it left and right twice vertically. The built-in valve automatically absorbs and resets. Then turn it left to the off position, which is in the safety state. Connect the air pressure chamber to the lower end of the switch and lock it. Then turn the mesh cover to the right on the upper part of the switch. No need to tighten it too much, just turn it to the bottom. Check for looseness. Take out the gas cylinder and install the gas cylinder and the back cover into the air pressure chamber. Note, because of the assembly demonstration, we use gas cylinders. Turn the back cover to the right and slowly rotate it to the white line. At this time, the top of the gas cylinder is close to the steel needle. Then you need to rotate it to the bottom with force at one time, and you can't stop in the middle. Turn the switch to the on position. Aim at the target, press the button, and the net can be launched.